you to leave early while we continue. Just so we leave the floor to you. You are the guest who came, and they want to hear what the reason for this visit is. Your Excellency,
Your Excellencies, the former Vice President, National Chairman of ADC and PDP, gentlemen of the press, we came here to visit the leadership of ADC. We're on a solidarity visit. We've seen what has been happening within the political space, the court, and the protest today. So we came to show solidarity and to commit to a clean, democratic space in our country. Thank you so much for that.
thank you very much. Thank you very much.
FPS question, please.
No question. No question. Don't worry. It's a developing story, so you will have time to ask questions. Thank you very much. Solidarity. Thank you very much.
Does solidarity include joining the ADC or joining forces together?
Solidarity. No problem. Thank you. Thank you. Gentlemen, you can have your microphones. The meeting has to continue very quickly. Yes, sir.
MPS is on record that His Excellency wants to speak, but you refuse to allow him to speak.
No, because the answer to the question is in the meeting that has to happen.
Yes. Daddy, check
Right, gentlemen, let's just let's have our own press meeting out.
kamar da yin da kuma da ya sai dai da gobe suna ci gaba da tattaunawa ba a riga da aka kai karshe ba da ikon Allah duk lokacin da aka kai karshe za a sanar da al'umma halin da ake ciki mu ci gaba da addu'a kan Allah ubangiji ya tabbatar da haɗin kai tsakanin jagororin adawar siyasar Najeriya na ku ake tattauna da lafiyar da kuma matasa.
Let's go.
No, they
will not talk. They will not talk. Not now. They are all over.
Keep moving.
yes.
Nan ba ne Allah ba su samu nasara kuma mataki da aka ɗauka na adamu siyasa
Vamos tafi da nan?
Sai za mu tafi. Za mu tafi.
Ba wai wago na ji ko da ko.
Excellent. Well done.
My daddy. I'm serious. Push it. You know, I didn't know.
I brought you gave me an appointment and I didn't hear anything from you. But let's talk. Let's talk. Your Excellency. Who is your envelope?